Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will be restoring these 15-year-old Foggy headlights with a two-step restoration kit. I'm using Magwire's two-step headlight restoration kit. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, so in the box we have the cleaning solution and the coating and also 2 cleaning pads. So it's a two-step process. First, you'll need to use the cleaner and the pads to clean the headlights and then apply the coating after. Okay, so first step, I'm going to use an alcohol wipe to clean all the dust and dirt from the headlight and around it. And I'm going to use masking tape to cover all around the headlight to protect the body panels because the cleaner is very strong and it can easily damage your paint and clear coat. Now I'm going to use the cleaning pad and the cleaning solution to clean the headlight for about 4 minutes. Just, make sure you're generous with the amount of cleaning solution. Okay, and I'm going to use some alcohol wipes to wipe all the excess cleaner. So the headlight's nice and dry now. I'm going to head off camera and mask it again for the last step, which is coating. Okay, so we'll put a medium layer of coating, wait 3 to 5 minutes, and then put a second medium layer of coating. And the whole thing will cure within 24 hours. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and put the last layer of coating. What a difference, everyone. This is our final product. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you.